Let's get started. In the paper, the author, Commander Wayne McDonnell, relies on concepts borrowed from hypnosis, transcendental meditation, biofeedback, physics, metaphysics, and quantum mechanics. In particular, he references the biomedical models developed by Itzhak Bentov, a pioneer of the biomedical industry who was a scientist, inventor, and an early proponent of what came to be known as consciousness studies. All of this was part of a comprehensive effort commissioned by the Department of the Army's Intelligence Unit to understand Hemi-Sync and the Gateway experience. First, some brief background on Bentov himself. He didn't have much of an educational background, actually. He was a Czechoslovakian immigrant who worked mostly out of his basement lab and is best known for his many inventions, including the steerable catheter. He pioneered the biomedical engineering industry by founding Meditech, which later became Boston Scientific. Today, that is a $78 billion medical devices company, as of this recording. Now, he is perhaps less well known for also being a pioneer of consciousness studies and authored several books on the subject, including Stalking the Wild Pendulum, which is cited extensively in the CIA Gateway Report. Tragically, he died in a plane crash in 1979 at the age of 55. In reading his books and in looking at his many accomplishments, he was clearly a genius-level intellect and kept the company of other geniuses. Indeed, the foreword to Stalking the Wild Pendulum is written by William Tiller, who was professor of materials science and engineering at Stanford, a prolific author, and pioneered the field of psychoenergetics. For a wild read, I highly recommend his book entitled Psychoenergetic Science, A Second Copernican Scale Revolution. Okay, with the stage set and the main players introduced, let's dig in to the CIA Gateway Report.